Watch it, Biff.
40! I didn't mean to scare you. I didn't recognize you in those clothes.
What the hell are you doing?
Just putting on the second coat now. You going cowboy, huh?
Come on, guys. We're gonna be late for brunch.
Come on, Dad. We're not gonna hold your reservations all day.
I can find my other glasses. Lorraine, have you seen my glasses?
They're in your suede jacket, honey. Marty, what's wrong? We thought you went to the lake.
You wore that to the lake?
Thank God you guys are all back to normal.
Hey, Marty, who you supposed to be? Clint Eastwood?
Right. I gotta go get Jennifer.
I really like that hat, Marty.
Thanks, Biff.